Welcome everyone to another Mushmellow video. Today we're going to be unboxing the Neuhaus Christmas chocolate advent calendar for 2 people. So we bought this in the Bijenkorf and let's open it up. So at the front you can see it has a nice print of people. There's someone next to a Christmas tree. There's some people walking on the side. On the side it shows the chocolates in here. It says that this is a shared advent calendar for 2. So double chocolates for each day. So here's all the chocolates that are in this advent calendar. And here are the ingredients, which I do not have time to list now, so let's open it. I really like how the colors match. It has a red with a kind of peach, and if you can see over here there's gold spots all around it, and the bow is also matching. So let's see if it's possible to open the normal way, like a bow. And a cup. And let's see. So, oh wow, packaging is really fancy. So here's the box out, and this is the real advent calendar, which is also in the same red. Here I'm not sure you can see, but there's tape. We have to cut that open. Now we're gonna open one. Let's look for number 1. I checked, I did not find number 1, so I'm just gonna open it random. Wow. Okay, so inside there's 2 chocolates, and they're both hearts. I think they're both the same. I think they're both milk or dark chocolate, and let's try them. Honestly, it's really good, and I personally think this is one of the best chocolate companies. It's made by Neuhaus, I hope I'm saying it correct. And the whole calendar consists of 78 chocolates. So there's 2 of each of these. We're on the second day now, and we're gonna open number 2.